For this recipe, you need some regular tofu. You can find it in a container like this at a Walmart or any other grocery store. Once you have it cut open, dump the preservative. And once you have that, you take out your giant tofu chunk. What I like to do is cover it in some Kleenex just to dry it out. Put a heavy weight on top to squeeze any remaining juices out. I've put a tub of coconut oil on there. So after a minute or two, I have removed the tub of coconut oil and I peel off the Kleenex. Then you start chopping it up into cubes. Size is really up to you. Once you have your cubes all cut out, put them all together in a bowl and you're ready to start frying the tofu. Put enough peanut oil on a pan. I want to thank Asha, my mom, for coming up with the recipe and cooking it in this video. Set your heat to medium. Once the oil is hot enough, throw your tofu in there. The oil may start to splatter, so make sure you don't get splatter. Put some salt in there. Put some chaat masala. Spice it however you like. Then start mixing it around. Make sure the spice, the salt, and the oil are all evenly distributed on the tofu cubes. So what's your favorite part about making this?
Everything actually. My favorite part is when it is fully done and I put it on the plate and it's ready to eat.
What?
Make it look like you're making it.
No.
Yeah.
That's not
She's a liar.
So once you've stirred it, cover it with a lid. Open the lid and stir it around as much as is needed to get it cooked. For this recipe, cooking time was between 4 and 7 minutes. Once you are happy with your tofu, turn the heat off, take your pan off the cooking range, and dump your tofu into your bowl. Now it's time to eat.